Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to craft and how to use solar panels in ICARUS. First of all, go to the Tech Tree, Tier 4, and make sure you got the Fabricator researched. Then you're going to need the Electricity tool, and on the top you want the solar panels. Also, a good combination of solar panels are battery packs. You can use the basic or advanced, it doesn't matter. And also the flow meter to see how much you got supply, demand, and storage from your electricity grid. So, as you can see, it's around 8 a.m. and the supply is 0. This is the time when the solar panels usually produce electricity. But as you can see, my solar panel can't see the sun straight away. It's behind a mountain. This is another key thing to put in mind. The solar panels need to see the sun to produce electricity. Mine starts supplying electricity at around 8:30. So we're gonna wait a little bit. Now as you can see, it's going to be around 8:30. And sometime soon it should, yes, it's supplying 6,000 electricity. 6,000 units. As you can see, we can't really see the sun from the ground. But once we are on the roof, you can see the solar panel sees the sun. So it produces electricity. Now, a good thing to pair with the solar panels are advanced battery packs or the basic battery pack. This ensures that you have constant electricity even during the supply or shortage. So let's say the supply is 0 and the demand would be 2000. Because you don't have the supply, you wouldn't be able to, let's say, smelt or filter your water. So there's the storage, which are the batteries, and those provide electricity when the solar panel isn't supplying any. So that's gonna be all. I hope this helped you a little bit. Make sure to like and subscribe for more ICARUS tutorials. See you soon.